This is aluminized plastic from a crisp or chip bag. It's stuck on a mirror with water, with a drop of water. And there's its reflection. Maybe I'll turn this up a little higher. There's its reflection from the evening sun. This one here is tin foil, kitchen foil. And there's its reflection from the evening sun. Now the thing I've been telling people for the last month and a half or so is that the reflection spreads out. And they've had all sorts of weird excuses. There's the proof. And it's pretty straightforward. It is what it is. We have to get used to it. We need to start checking reflective materials around the world. But the solar cooking community on Facebook has refused to acknowledge my work with lasers and laser pointers. And it's really up to other people to copy this and to try novel techniques like this one here, and we can change things around a bit and make things work for the poorest people on the planet.